Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Here are 10 reasons to include them in your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, magnesium, zinc, and iron. 2. Supports heart health. They contain heart-friendly unsaturated fats, magnesium, and antioxidants that help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 3. Boosts immune system. High in zinc and antioxidants, pumpkin seeds strengthen immunity and help fight infections. 4. Improves sleep quality. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes serotonin production, which aids sleep. 5. Aids in weight management. Rich in fiber and protein, they keep you full longer and help control appetite. 6. Enhances prostate and bladder health. Studies suggest that pumpkin seeds help reduce the risk of prostate disorders and support bladder function. 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. The magnesium and fiber in pumpkin seeds help improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar. 8. Supports brain health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support cognitive function. 9. Good for skin and hair. The zinc and vitamin E content in pumpkin seeds promotes healthy skin and hair growth. 10. May reduce the risk of certain cancers. Their high levels of antioxidants and phytochemicals may help protect against some cancers by reducing oxidative stress. How to eat pumpkin seeds? Snack on them raw or roasted. Add to smoothies, yogurt, or salads, mix into baked goods or granola. Would you like a pumpkin seed-based recipe to try?